Kaistage lago ye chatan buno county nebo narok ko gagola sirin the ministry nebo muswag na teta natan go ICT and digital economy engineer John Tanui paratit nego gabit kaban muswag na teta nebo e-citizen en moyat ko legi go ibgaluti ke chang en meta kama Tanui go lego konyor galjin mengi ki en kasulda nebo baistoni ke terter en nyumyumido en moyat ko lebi ke sire milioni sekta manang mut en emone ko kanapta ka yumet nebo aitrot ko nyel tamana ko ngeten kenyit nebo elfu sio ga ak Temogainga kongololi Tanui gang ko titap committee nebo bunge nebo borora netinyege ag muswag na teta nindochin member yatap kot nigingoten ngatutik nebo Dagoreti John Kiari ko nebo ngecheret ko Tanui gole nyori bi kesire elfu sektu Temogaing toretosik kiba serikali kobun muswag na teta nebo e-citizen ole gangangole noton go oret agenge ne toreti gede gunen torset nebo mali ga borora en emet agonyum boisionik en chokkinit.
E-citizen system is one system that represents actually our daring spirit as Kenya, because it's one of the first systems that Kenya has developed and been able to utilize to the level that we have today. This is a system that is serving about 15 million citizens who have registered on that platform. And when it started at 2022, the system was handling about 60 million daily. Today it has gone to 700 million and sometimes even going beyond. In respect to actual annual collection, from 2022 to that, it has increased 10 times in terms of the amount of money that that platform has been able to collect. And in terms of services, we are now about 22,000 services which can be accessed on a digital platform, starting with a low figure of 450 at that time. And so, Chair, if we talk about the future of Kenya in terms of using locally developed solutions, e-citizen presents that potential. It's a system that also was piloted for almost 10 years, from 2013 to 2023. That's the first time we have now a formal engagement between government and the developer of that system. And we are working to progress this system to the next level. One of the things is that many agencies have actually reported more than 10 times in terms of
na kasrata member atap kot negingoten ngatutuk ni ba Dagoreti South noton go John Kiari kumoy gole ni tanto logo yekigele to chuma ba eman enoret ni ba muswag na tisap kasari olega macha moto se ke chaba chigili set ko trillion de ke moja ko yai go ngemakte tute kemia chenche gisuloin in muswag na teta olen ko mastanin member atap kot negingoten ngatutuka ne bonandil zbanat kitura ko mach ke gusigon kai mudu kada chaba gimna teta agora gi achi chigili set moto et not ne ba korgorosik
and cleaning up the interwebs in Kenya, the negativity, the toxicity, and all these vitriol that we're seeing online. It's an issue that Kenya is raising, but funny enough, it has not been domiciled anywhere yet. Everybody knows it's a problem, but it is the people in this room who would have an answer onto that negativity on our interwebs. So it is a topic that you might want to headline because it becomes of great import that when we're making these big investments on our connectivity, how then is it being utilized? So it is to ask, is that discussion being held anywhere?
The last 2 days I paid a visit to several prisons within the coastal region. And one of the things that really impressed us, Pierce, is that in some of these prisons, there are many of our brothers and sisters in prisons who cannot be able to defend themselves because of the issue of lack of connectivity, or the connectivity, because many times there are virtual sessions that happen within the judiciary. and they were really pleading that you need to engage them also to see how you can be able to help the many inmates, because now judiciary has gone virtual and they are not able to have their cases being heard. Secondly, is there are a lot of trainings that happens inside there. There are many very brilliant young and old people who really want to be part and parcel of what is happening. For instance, the aggression that you've been able to do with the having digital centers and also having TVETs have computers. Have you considered